Hey, welcome back guys. On this video I have a 2013 BMW X1. On this X1, the door handles have begun to degum, where the material begins to separate, causing some unsightly door handles. As you see here, I've already begun to pull the door handle apart. I thought I needed tools, but I didn't. So I began to pull here and lightly pull the whole way through. So I bought my door handle replacement covers off of Amazon, and I want to say they're about $45. This was literally probably a 10-minute job, if not faster, if it had not been my first time. I pressed these things in just as fast as I took them out, and it was just that simple. Thanks for watching, guys.